What's good, YouTube? Somebody boy back with another video. Today we got a night POV drive. I have been dropping these a lot. I actually did start on a day POV yesterday, but it got cut short. But I'm gonna give y'all one tonight. It is a little slippery, so you know we can't do too much. But the car is popping right now a lot, so I'm gonna let y'all hear that. That. The hell? Dang, this shit popping, bro. I hope y'all can hear that. Somebody behind me got their damn light flickering. Look at that. Shit is terrible. Let me roll the windows down so I can hear a little bit better. Don't know if y'all can hear that. Why is everybody like hitting the brakes right now? The world? Damn, what the hell? Oh shit, my blinker light on. Oh, I know y'all heard that one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I know y'all. It sound like this bitch spitting flame. I'm gonna do it under this bridge. That's crazy. Finna give y'all a pull on this road. This car like speeds up a little bit. That sounds crazy. Oh, I know I can make it pop right here. Roll that up so y'all can hear more of the car. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we got a wall right here. pull. Actually, no, I'm not. Actually, I might. Fuck it, let's do it. Oh shit, somebody on the side of the road. Oh, we got a laser. Alright, we good. Oh, my damn windshield is foggy. Damn. Just to let y'all know, if you're new, subscribe. It's free, you know. Like the video. And I'm gonna be back consistent on this channel very soon. I promise y'all. So make sure y'all do all that for sure. Oh shit, I thought they got close. Y'all a little pull on this straightaway right here. Hopefully, if y'all don't know, hopefully it's no cops, but if y'all don't know, you can actually tap the gas and it'll put in performance shift mode and it'll downshift for you. Watch. Boom. And then you, oh shit, we just spun like hell. Yeah, that ain't happening no more. By the way, y'all, I think my damn and then it just goes back. I think one of my headlights is about to go out. The other day that shit was pink, and then apparently it's one of them looks dim. So I gotta get some more headlight bulbs and everything. That shit sucks, but you know, it's part of it. I never changed them before, so I mean, I guess that's part of it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. I will give y'all a few more pops though. Just listen. Now you can't even hear it. Oh my gosh. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. I'm out.